What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are jumping right into part 2, and if you haven't seen part 1 yet, it is linked in the top right corner where you see that little eye. Just click that to go back to part 1, and once you finish watching that, then come back here and jump right back into this video so that you can get the second part of this series, which is the styling portion. So picking up where we left off in part 1, I had just finished washing my hair. I'm going to be doing a twist out, so I did not towel dry or t-shirt dry my hair. I just wring it out in the sink because I knew that I would want my hair to be pretty wet for this style. So all I'm doing is sectioning my hair. Then I'm just going to moisturize, detangle one final time, and start flat twisting. The products that I'm using are the African Pride Shea Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, Schwarzkopf Camellia Oil and Shea Butter, Mousse, and Trader Joe's Sunflower Oil. Now I'm just going to start moisturizing my hair with the products. I'm going to layer them starting with the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to go in with the oil, and lastly the mousse. And I'm going to start making rows and start to flat twist my hair all around. And I'm going to flat twist it the way I want it to lay. Meaning that if I want my hair to lay to the right, mostly to the right, then I'll twist it to the right. If I want it to lay mostly forward, then I'll twist it going forward. So twist your hair the way you want it to lay in the end. now that I'm done with the takedown, all I'm going to do is fluff my hair out until I get it to a point where I feel like it's big enough, and just keep playing with it, picking it with the comb and separating the coils until I'm happy with the way that it looks. I wasn't happy with the amount of shrinkage that I had, so I decided to put it up on one side, and I am doing that by making a cornrow on the left side of my head. So all I'm going to do is cornrow that straight back as far as I want it to go and then pin it in place. At first I pinned it, and then I decided I didn't like that either, so I cornrowed it the rest of the way and then pinned it on the other side of my head and used it to hold my hair up in the back. Then I added some hair jewelry off camera, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking my face on the left side of the screen. On the right side of the screen are my 2 most recent videos. If you haven't checked those out yet, all you have to do is click on them to go directly to those videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye! Before you leave, I would love to have you here as part of the family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!